Hello everyone and welcome to this video lesson about digital creation, problem solving, and innovation, whereby I will take you once more in journey into the realm of computing technology and the internet. This time, our literacy journey is going to be taken from digital literacy's core area of using digital tools and creating content which, as a reminder, and in accordance to this context, refers to a learner's ability to use technology and software with confidence to search for and create content, solve problems, and innovate. And in terms of components, it comprises of developing techniques for searching, managing, and making critical judgments about digital data, information, and content, as well as creating the latter to solve a problem or complete task. In addition to the selection and use of the appropriate digital tools for specific purposes. Put together, these skills form a foundation for digital creation, problem solving, and innovation. They empower individuals to make the most of their digital abilities and unlock the full potential of the digital world. Building on these principles, this lesson will explore key concepts, provide real-life examples, and illustrate important ideas to help you understand the foundations of these three concepts. To get started, let me once again challenge the sophisticated searcher within you to build a glossary of key terms to today's lesson out of these words. Now, by completing this task, you've demonstrated your digital problem-solving capacity of using digital evidence to solve problems, make decisions, and answer questions through following the vocabulary digital searching model. Additionally, a literacy in digital problem-solving can be demonstrated in your capacity to collect and collate new evidence, including AI-generated evidence, evaluate the quality and value of evidence. Also, it shows in one's ability to share evidence and findings using digital methods. As an EFL student, you're likely to encounter these skills in your everyday studies. For example, when you're researching a topic for a presentation or essay, you need to be able to collect and evaluate information from various digital sources. You need to be able to distinguish between credible and non-credible sources, and to use the information you find to support your arguments. Similarly, when you're working on a group project or collaborating with your classmates, you need to be able to share your findings and ideas using digital tools. This might involve creating a presentation, recording a video, or writing a blog post. By developing your digital problem-solving skills, you'll be better equipped to handle these tasks and to succeed in your EFL studies. You'll be able to find and evaluate information more efficiently, to collaborate more effectively with your peers, and to present your ideas in a clear and compelling way. Now that we've explored the importance of the skills of incorporating computer technology to find solutions to problems, let's talk about how you can use these skills to create something new and original. As an EFL student, you have a unique perspective and voice, and digital creation tools can help you express yourself in a way that's engaging, interactive, and fun. So, what is digital creation? Exactly. Digital creation refers to the process of using digital tools and technologies to design, develop, and produce original digital contents, such as texts, images, videos, podcasts, and other forms of media. This can include anything from writing a blog post or creating a video essay to designing a website or producing a podcast. And it includes the capacity to design and/or create new digital content, in addition to the understanding of different digital production processes, as well as technical and intellectual accessibility related to producing digital content. To break it down further, this means having the skills to create new and original digital content, such as writing a blog post, designing a website, or producing a video. It also involves understanding the steps and processes involved in creating digital content, like planning, scripting, filming, and editing. Let's consider some examples to make this clearer. Designing and creating new digital content can be as simple as writing a blog post or creating a video about a topic you're interested in. It could also mean designing a website or a social media page for a fictional company, or even producing a podcast or a video podcast on a topic of your choice. But creating digital content is not just about technical skills. It's also about making sure that your content is accessible to everyone. This means considering technical accessibility, such as ensuring that your website is usable on different devices, or using closed captions or subtitles in your videos. It also means thinking about intellectual accessibility, like using simple language and clear explanations, providing alternative formats, and organizing your content in a logical and easy-to-follow structure. As we continue to navigate the ever-changing landscape of digital technology, it's clear that creation is just the beginning. The next step is to harness the power of innovation to take your digital creations to new heights. And it includes the capacity to design and/or create new digital content. In addition to the understanding of different digital production processes, as well as technical and intellectual accessibility related to producing digital content. In total, it includes 6 literacies. These you will experience or have already experienced while discovering a new language learning app like Duolingo, Memrise, or HelloTalk to practice grammar and vocabulary in an interactive, fun way. Using digital tools to work on projects to help develop language skills, like the times you communicated through forums, collaborated through Google Slides and wikis, or participated in polls and surveys. And when you use word lists to manage your language learning, or perhaps you will be more interested both in developing your own digital products or services, such as creating and selling language learning courses or offering online tutoring services, and creating inclusive and accessible digital content, such as using plain language or providing alternative formats for learners with disabilities. All in all, digital creation, problem solving, and innovation are not just skills. They're ways of thinking, being, and interacting with the world. They're about embracing curiosity, creativity, and compassion, and using them to drive positive change. This mindset will empower you to approach challenges with confidence, to collaborate with others, empathy, and to create solutions by making the most of your skills, talents, and passion to make a difference in the world. So, go out there and make your mark. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and I look forward to seeing the amazing things you will create and achieve.